PBG Kolhapur Tuskers will take on the Eagle Nashik Titans here at the MCA International Stadium in Kahunze in Pune. The PBG Kolhapur Tuskers have won the toss, and on a bright and sunny day, they will be bowling first. Playing 11 first of PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, Aniket Porwal, Rahul Tripathi, Sachin Dhas, Siddharth Matre. The playing 11 of Eagle Nashik Titans, Mandar Bhandari, Arshin Kulkarni, Kaushal Tambe, Atharva Kale, Ranjit Nikam.
And Mandar Bhandari is going to open for Eagle Nashik Titan, and then along with him, Arshin Kulkarni. Nehal Tusamad is going to start his bowling.
Nicely driven. Down the leg side, as easy as they come for Arshin Kulkarni. Again strays down the leg side. A nicely hit over the infield. That has been timed really well.
Big shot over the mid-off for 4 runs.
Yes, he hits that well.
This is good batting by Mandar Bhandari.
And just trying to confuse, but that goes. There's the wicket. Shreyas Sawant comes in. He was got in exactly for this reason, and that was to pick up the wicket.
Mandar Bhandari departs for 17, 42 for 1.
Sahil Parakh, the left-hander, comes in, jersey number 7. In the air, has he connected that well? Fielder there, one-hand chance. Always was going to be difficult.
Beautifully played on that occasion, Sahil Parakh.
Kept on playing in the minds of the batters. Goes straight over the fielder's head.
Is that the clear message that they'll be looking to up the ante? Improvisation by the young man. Arshin Kulkarni now gets into the act.
Short ball and 6 runs.
Yeah, reverse sweep. Sahil Parakh. क्या विकेट टेकिंग गेंदबाज है ना, हवा में गेंद है बिल्कुल, पर यहाँ पर क्या शॉट है. ये गलत शॉट मारे. मैंने बोला जितना सीधा मारेंगे तो बिल्कुल टाइमिंग होगा, पर यहाँ पर अक्रॉस द लाइन खेलने गए, आगे आके मारने की कोशिश थी, शॉट डाला और विकेट मिली, और वो भी साहिल पारेख की.
Parakh's gone for 40. It's 102 for 2. Ranjit Nikam, the new man in.
साहिल अर्शिन कुलकर्णी रुकने वाले नहीं है. शॉर्ट गेंद थी, पूरा फायदा उठाया.
जगह बनाकर खेला उस गेंद को, कवच के क्षेत्र से निकाल दिया है. चौका.
ये अच्छी गेंद. बोल्ड हिम. बढ़िया गेंद. पता चल जाता है जब आती है और हाथ से बॉल निकलती है. क्रॉस मारने की कोशिश, वहां पर बड़ा ब्रेक थ्रू. निकम 9 रन बना के पेविलियन में 118 पर 3.
Again ready. New man in. Straight down the ground.
काफी बेहतरीन गेंदबाज थे, काफी उनकी स्टोरी सुनी है. और अर्शिन कुलकर्णी के 50 पूरे. एक अच्छी बारी 42 गेंदों में. ये बड़ा शॉट.
This time cuts it hard. There's a fielder there, will not be able to cut it out.
Nice shot.
In the air, he hasn't timed it, or has he? Yes, he has. He goes the aerial way, but on the bounce. Oh, not the best of fielding efforts there at mid-wicket. Fielder will watch it sail over it. This will be another 6. Smart batting this. Bowls a full toss. But the fielder at mid-wicket judges it really well. Yogesh Dongre takes that catch. Not a wicket-taking delivery this for sure. but he has got a wicket, and that of the danger man, Atharva Kale.
Strike rate of 236, 45 of 19 deliveries, 177 for 4.
But Dhanraj Shinde has walked out to bat. It goes high, along with the elevation, the distance as well.
एक और बड़ी hit.
Arshin has hit this really well. Outside edge, on the bounce and a boundary. In the air, fielders, 2 of them. And finally it is Sachin who calls for it and takes that catch. Dhanraj Shinde will have to walk back. Shrikant Mundhe gets that wicket.
5 run बनाए शिंदे ने, 202 for 5.
Arshin hits it straight and over the side screen. Fielder there, it'll go over him.
And then you've got this ability. You've got this ability. Moves on to 97. What a hit. No, you keep quiet. Concentrate on your cricket, boy. You're only 19. You don't need to do that. Focus on the game. Don't focus on what people are saying if you want to go a long way.
The Eagle Nashik Titans reaching 222 runs. The PBG Kolhapur Tuskers need 223 in their allotted 20 overs. But with Rahul Tripathi in the kind of form that he is, and if Ankit Bhavne fires, those are the 2 batters that have been firing for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. As Mukesh Chaudhary is back and fit.
Just like that. Caressed away.
PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, nicely done again. Bethak Marley, and that's 6. Throws his bat and connects well. Short ball now, looking to pull straight up. Shot third man, chance taken. Digvijay Deshmukh there, the fielder, making no mistake. Arshin Kulkarni delivers with the bat and now delivers with the ball in hand.
Aniket Porwal goes for 9, 27 for 1.
The PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, Rahul Tripathi, 230 runs so far in this season. Short ball pulled and nicely pulled. Rahul Tripathi on strike. And nicely played again over the infield. Oh, what a shot that! Over the point region, 6 runs.
You don't have a fielder there. You don't have a fielder there.
So the only batter to have 150 plus scores for both the teams.
And straight away. That's a 6. What a start.
This time room outside the off stump, slashed away. Ah, that's a lovely shot.
And what a way to end. Yes. What a shot.
Short delivery, bad ball.
Again this time, bat bounce there. What a way to start the over.
Is that reverse? Ek aur boundary. This time short. Played it over square leg.
95 for 1 after 8 overs. What a start. Ankit Bhavne. And oh, that's a hit. Direct hit there. Enquiry. Umpire Vineet Kulkarni will go to the TV umpire. The run does count. It will also be Ankit Bhavne's 50.
Gone for it. Gone over. Oh, what a lovely hit.
There's an appeal here and given. The captain here picks up the wicket off the captain. This could be a crucial moment in the game.
46 he scored in 20 balls. 110 for 2.
Sachin Das.
Excellent shot. Beautiful.
And Sachin Das here going to clear that short extra cover. And in that pursuit will have to lose his wicket.
117 for 3. Kolhapur Tusker.
Siddharth Matre is the new batter.
बिल्कुल अच्छी बारी खेलने पड़ी. क्या शॉट, कमाल का शॉट.
Oh, that is a misunderstanding and a direct hit.
कोई चांस नहीं था. अंकित बावने भी भागते हैं, वो आउट हो जाते हैं. डायरेक्ट हिट. मात्रे ने अच्छी शुरुआत की थी, बट 8 रन बना के.
Yogesh Dongre is the new batter. Nicely hit.
ओह क्लास. बहुत ही बेहतरीन. ग्रेट शॉट. ये देखो, सिर्फ दिशा दिखानी है. फुल टॉस गेंद, चौका मिला. और ये चौका. मिसफील्ड. शॉट. वाओ, कितना लंबा गया है छक्का.
Nicely hit. Again, it'll be a boundary.
Just because he's been playing shots like that. Take him out. Just like that. Clears the fence. Once again, picture perfect. Flat batted for 4.
Has he connected that well? Yes, he has! And that's half century for Dongre. It's the fastest half century in the Maharashtra Premier League. Ankit Bhavne sweeps over the cow corner region. 6 runs. Sweeps as he connected. Fielder there will be a spectator. 6 runs. Yogesh Dongre on strike. 54 of 21 for him. As he connected that, fielder under it. Oh no, it's not taken. And might just have enough for it to reach the fence. Yes, it does. 4 runs then. So just 2 more runs required. Have a look at the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers dugout. Rahul is asking them to sit down. Very difficult for them to sit now. Just 2 to win. The winning runs. Record chase. Nischay Damdar, Vijay Shandar is the tagline of the Maharashtra Premier League. And yes, PBG Kolhapur Tuskersचा निश्चयही दमदार होता आणि विजयही शानदार मिळवलेला आहे. It's a record chase for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. They have won it by 6 wickets to spare.